So we're going on a little lily pillie mission, sending these lovely natives down at the river. And silky odor just learned. So here's already a little regen going on. And we're doing the other side. Some lily pillie wonderful action. Let's go. The mission regen. Really wonderful here. That's our base now. Planted a bit higher because of the floody times now. And yeah, let's go. Lily pillie in action. So, these are the lily pillie berries, and that's when you have the little seedlings. I think it took them a few months, but it was really easy, he said. So it's really nice to just restore native trees. They're good for birds, saving the riverbanks from getting washed away from floods. And the nice thing is the berries will travel along the river and then they go somewhere else where all the cattle and all the cows are, and helping restore the ecosystems. It's so amazing how many people here are really doing selfless, wonderful work for nature. And that's just what I want to do. As much as possible, regeneration for our wonderful Mother Nature. And at the end for us. So, that's how our little lily pillie gets planted. Just mix it up with a bit of soil, get some more. Usually we had nice compost soil in all the other ones, and then we put mulch on top. So yeah, just making a lovely new home, getting it in and getting the soil around again.